Every year, food processors around the world operate central refrigeration systems that throw away trillions of BTUs of heat energy and evaporate millions of gallons of water to the atmosphere, all while spending millions of dollars on fossil fuels to create hot water. Wouldn't it be great if they could convert that wasted heat into usable energy? Now they can. In fact, some of the world's leading food processors are already reducing energy costs by 50% and water consumption by up to 30 million gallons a year, simply by applying an innovative industrial heat pump solution from Emerson. Consider the energy usage in a typical plant. Food and beverage processing requires enormous amounts of heat to be extracted from product for preservation. Industrial refrigeration systems accomplish this by absorbing heat from the product and then transferring or expelling that heat to the atmosphere through a vapor compression process. Billions and billions of BTUs containing valuable heat energy and millions of gallons of water are wasted every day by systems like these operating all over the world. These same facilities typically require large volumes of hot water for their processes and facility washdown requirements, and they burn massive quantities of fossil fuel in boilers. These systems are less efficient, more expensive to operate and maintain, and they increase environmental emissions by the food processor. Facility managers and operators now have the ability to address these issues with a single solution. By installing the industrial heat pump from Emerson, they're making productive use of the trillions of BTUs of heat energy that their refrigeration systems waste every year, while at the same time greatly reducing their water consumption. Instead of expelling the wasted heat energy into the atmosphere, Emerson industrial heat pumps are designed to continue compressing until temperatures are high enough for heating water. The heat pump functions as a condenser to the host refrigeration system, ultimately reducing the load on the existing evaporative condenser and giving the food processor a new way to reduce water consumption. Emerson's solution is 500 to 600% more efficient than fossil fuel boilers and significantly more efficient than other heat pump systems. The key to such dramatic efficiency advantages is the Vilter single-screw compressor found inside the heat pump, a technology which is uniquely suited to operate at higher pressures than twin-screw or reciprocating compressors. How does the Emerson industrial heat pump harness and renew the used heat extracted from refrigeration? Basically, the gas that's discharged from the host refrigeration system is drawn into the Emerson heat pump. Unique, high-pressure, single-screw technology compresses the refrigerant to an elevated temperature. The high-temperature refrigerant then transfers its heat to a glycol loop where the water is heated from 55 degrees to 145 degrees Fahrenheit or higher. The cooled refrigerant is returned to the host system to complete the cycle. The capabilities unique to Emerson's Vilter single-screw compressor technology provide food and beverage processors with a cost-effective and environmentally friendly industrial heat pump solution. A one-two punch that delivers a real competitive advantage. The payoff of this innovative approach to meeting their facility water heating requirement is significantly reduced operating costs, improved sustainability performance, and proven return on investment. That's good for the plant and good for the planet. Learn more about how you can produce hot water with heat extracted from refrigeration